Good evening, friends. Welcome to DURGASOFT online training. Welcome to DURGASOFT online training and welcome to our special batch called Logic Based Programming. Logic Based Programming batch. Okay. Sir, myself, of course, majority of you people may know about myself. Sir, Prakash Babu, technical trainer in our DURGASOFT, having 13 years of experience. Okay, sir, we are going to start a new batch. Okay, of course, the batch is already started. It is nothing but just add-on batch. Few more members we are going to club to that batch. Sir, what is the title of our course? The title of the course is nothing but logic-based programming. So LBP, logic-based programming. The number is nothing but 6, sir. Already, sir, 5 batches currently running. This is nothing but 6th batch. Sir, sorry to say, the timings of this batch is nothing but not 7 o'clock, sir. The timing of this batch is nothing but 7:30 p.m. Okay, daily from Monday to Friday, sir, exactly from 7:30 to 8:30, we are going to have the session. Okay, but yeah, this is the first class. But sir, just for demo purpose, we have assigned the timing like 7:30. Okay, just for demo, we have assigned the time 7:30. Okay, then, sir, how many demo classes will be there? Sir, 3 demo classes are there. Okay, sir, 3rd February. Okay, sir, 4th February. Okay, and even Saturday also we have the demo, 5th February. Like this, sir, we have totally 3 demos are there. You can attend these 3 demos, then you can take a final decision whether you want to continue to this course or not. Okay, next and after that, sir, how many programs you are going to cover? Okay, how many programs you are going to cover in this? Sir, 300 plus programs, but for this batch I am giving 350 programs we are going to cover, sir. Okay, sir, what is the duration of this course? How many days you are going to take? Sir, very simple. This is the course with 3 months. Okay, sir, Feb we are starting, Feb, March and April. In these 3 months, okay, of 2022, we are going to finish the syllabus. Sir, coming to fees for this particular course is, sir, rupees 1,500. Okay, this fees is going to be increased soon. That's why the people who are interested, you can join. Sir, what is the contact number to whom we need to contact for registration purpose? 8096 969696. To this number you can contact. So this is nothing but the information about course what we have. Sir, what benefits we are going to get by attending your classes? Sir, very simple. You will become very strong in the programming. Strong in programming area. Especially, sir, I will cover at the last. Please listen. So, running notes you are going to get with all programs, sir. Okay. Running notes we are going to get, sir, in all programs. Sir, every program we are going to cover in C, Java, and Python. Sir, observe carefully. Observe carefully. Sir, 350 programs, okay, into, sir, 3 languages. Total 1050 programs by hand I will type in our roster. Okay, so that you people are going to get much clarity. Sir, which language you are interested, you can practice in that programming language. Okay, then, sir, you are eligible for free workshop only for logic based programming. Sir, we are going to conduct free workshops on Java and Python. So because, sir, it is not a programming language course. Okay, it is not a programming language course. It is a completely logic building course. You need to prepare the programs. For the given problem statement, you have to prepare the algorithm. So like it is very difficult task, right? So that's why, sir, previous knowledge must be required, like Java, Python, knowledge must be required. Sir, for that purpose, okay, sir, we are going to take some free workshop. That running notes, that videos also will be given for you people. Okay, then, Yeah, I will answer all your queries. Please wait, students. Sir, we are going to give some hacker rank link. I will give that link today itself. Sir, it is nothing but a lifetime validity, sir. Okay, but these videos, okay, we are going to provide running notes, sir. Even recorded videos also we are going to provide, but recorded videos will be 7 months access only you are going to get, but this running notes is a permanent, and hacker rank link is also lifetime validity. So whenever, maybe tomorrow, after 3 months or 4 months, if I am adding additional 50 programs for the upcoming batch, those programs will be there in your hacker rank also. So whenever I am getting a new program into my table, sir, I will add that program in all the hacker rank batches, I mean all the LBP batches, so that you can practice well. Day to day you can be updated. Okay, and especially, sir, the point which I want to cover here is, sir, this batch is very beneficial if you are a final year or pre-final year student. Okay, sir, definitely this batch will help you. So because nowadays you can able to see the programming, sir, I am good at programming language. So if you ask any question in Java, I can able to answer, but I was unable to do the program. Even if they are giving prime number programs, sir, I was unable to do. So for you this is the best batch, sir. Okay, trust me. So you can learn from scratch basic program to advanced program. Every program you are going to get. So this is nothing but what is our batch details. Okay, sir, then what activities we are going to perform in this course also I will explain, sir. Sir, activity daily activity in our LBP classes. What is the first activity is nothing but, sir, we are going to read, and sir, we will understand the problem statement. Whatever problem statement they have given, sir, we will read and we will understand. Next, sir, we will prepare a logic, sir, to solve the problem. Okay, to solve the problem we will prepare a logic to solve the problem. Okay, next, and after that, sir, we will implement the program. Okay, we will implement the program in C language, and sir, we will implement the program in Java, but C++ option also given for you, but I will implement only in C and Java, and we will implement the program in Python. So in these three programming languages I am going to explain the program. So next, and after that, sir, we will run and we will verify whether public test cases are, sir, passed or not. Sir, public test cases in the sense the test cases which are given to the user. Okay, like if you want to perform addition of two numbers, sir, I will give some three test cases, three inputs, three outputs. Sir, whether your program is responding properly for those three inputs and outputs, you have to check. If it is working properly, then you have to submit the program for final test cases. Sir, if you are working perfectly, then you have to submit the program for, sir, final test cases. Sir, if everything is correct, then, sir, you are awarded with, sir, 1 point for each program. So after completion of this course, sir, out of 350, at least if you are getting 300 plus points, then you will become a good in programming. Sir, this is nothing but what is our course agenda, what things we are going to cover in this particular course. Just at the top level I have demonstrated, sir. Could you please confirm? If you are having any queries, please let me know. After verifying your queries, we will continue, sir. Yes, whatever doubts you have, you can post it on chat window. I have a knowledge on C and Python, but I am not able to understand hacker rank questions. Yes, any kind of, not only hacker rank, any kind of challenges if you are seeing, sir, you can able to understand after attending this course. Okay, yes, any queries, please let me know, sir. So sir, in these data structures are not there. Okay, because it is data structure means it is a separate course, sir. Okay, but in these programs, somewhere we are going to use data structures also. Okay, like linked list, sometimes stack, sometimes queue. So we will use some programs demand such a type of things. So there we will use, that's all. So the complete explanation about the data structures won't be there here. Okay, Abhimanyu Kumar, clear? Sir, what about remaining? Please, if you are having any queries, please. Python workshop and Java workshop means it will be continued. Okay, it is not one day workshop. So suppose if you take strings in Java, I will take two workshops, like Saturday or Sunday one workshop, next week Sunday one workshop. Suppose if you have Python list comprehension, one day is sufficient, one workshop. Like that, every week or alternative weeks you can able to expect. Okay. DSA as of now it is not planned, sir. I don't have any prior knowledge of Java, C and Python. No, Ravinder, at least one programming knowledge must be required. Okay. If not, please attend my regular Java or Python classes and then you can enroll for this course parallelly. So my Java classes are at morning 11 o'clock. My Python classes are at afternoon 3 o'clock. Okay. Even Java batch is there at evening 5 p.m. also. So you can register any one of these if you are interested. Yes, Sai, correct. After completion, you will get 7 months access. Yeah, basic knowledge of Java is sufficient. No. Abhimanyu, we are not going to solve all the challenges in the hacker rank. So our own programs are there. So in that we are going to see. Okay. Any doubts? So you don't want to attend the regular classes, you need only videos. Please contact admin. Object level programming won't be there here. See, OOPS concepts is not required for this course. Okay, OOPS concepts is not required because we are solving the problems. We are not building any projects. So if you are building the projects, then you may require. Okay. Any other queries? Yes, in the topmost MNC companies, what questions they have asked, we have that examples also. Yeah, you will receive the link, all these things, sir, because today you have registered for today's class, right? You have paid the fee for today's class, right? Yeah, then you will get from Monday regular classes will be there. There you will get all the things. Okay, don't worry. No, sir, this batch timings, again, I am repeating, this batch timings are from 7:30 to 8:30, not from 7 to 8. Okay, again, I am instructing you, this batch is from 7:30 to 8:30, but these 3 days, today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, it will be from 7 o'clock. Okay, but from Monday, this batch timings will be from 7:30 to 8:30. Okay. Yes. Monday, everything will be shared to you. Don't worry. What is your name? Could you please tell me your name so that I will make a note? Okay, Suraj. So you have registered for LBP 6. Yeah. Data structures won't be there in this course. Again, I am repeating, data structures won't be there because data structures is a separate concept, sir. Like we need to cover theory points, and we have to implement the programs in different tools, all these things. But these are completely problem solving batch. Okay. How much experience in C, Java and Python is required? Basic programming, sir. I know how to do the programming, then it will be sufficient. Ravinder. Okay. No, nothing. No knowledge is required. Only programming basics are sufficient. My teaching is different, easy to understand. Yeah, thank you, Sai. Thank you so much. Yes, I hope everything is very clear for you people. Shall we start? Please confirm. Yeah, please confirm. Shall we start? Very good. Respond, everyone. Please respond, sir. Yeah. DSA is required, sir, but not that much. Okay. Problem solving skills are sufficient. Firoz. Okay. It is not full stack, Nitesh. It is not full stack. Full stack batch is at 5 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, sir, please wait. I will start the session. Sir, now, as a first topic of this particular session, we need to talk about what are all the various input and output statements, sir, in various programming languages, because we are going to take the programs in different programming languages, right? That's why, sir, you should know what are the different input and output statements that we are going to use in various programming languages. Sir, the first programming language we know C language, second programming C++, third one Java, fourth one Python. Sir, in all these programming languages, what are the output statements we are using? Okay, sir, very simple. What are the output statements that we are going to use, sir? Sir, if you take C programming, printf is the output statement. So inside this printf, okay, inside this printf, we will use percentage %d to print integer value. Okay, sir, we will use percentage %f to print floating point value. Sir, we can use percentage %lf to print double value. Sir, we will use percentage %c for printing character. Sir, we will use percentage %s to print string. But direct string concept is not there in C language. Sir, we have to use character array. Remember carefully. So this is nothing but C language style. Sir, don't worry, I will take the examples. Sir, what about C++? If you take C++, C out we have to use with a double less than symbol. This double less than symbol is not left shift, sir. It is called as insertion operator. Insertion operator, sir, which is going to insert the data to the end user. Like if you want to insert the data to the command prompt or on the output panel, we have to use this insertion operator. Then, sir, what about Java? In Java, we have system.out.print is there. At the same time, system.out.println is there. System.out.printf is there. Three formats are there. Sir, coming to Python, sir, we have print function is there. Sir, with 10 forms, we have totally 10 forms of print statement are available. Of course, when you are going into the course, you will get in detail, because sometimes new line is required. Sometimes in the same line we have to print. Sometimes tab space must be required. Okay, sometimes after decimal point you required only 2 digits. N number of requirements will be there. Sir, based on that, I will explain different forms. Okay. Sir, these are nothing but output statements which are available in various programming languages. I think you have seen all these things, right? Okay. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this? Friends, please confirm. Clear, right? Now, sir, I want to write a program, okay, to display welcome message on the screen. I want to write a program to display welcome message on the screen in various programming languages. Sir, first I will take C program. Okay. Sir, where I am going to type the program in the sense, sir, I have one powerful compiler is there. So in that compiler, I will type. Okay. So what is a compiler name is nothing but Jodal. So it is an online compiler, sir, which will provide support for all the programming languages. So in this, sir, I am selecting C language. Okay. Sir, I am selecting C language and I am selecting C++. And I am selecting Java and I am choosing Python. Sir, first I want to solve this problem in C language. So this is nothing but IDE what we have. Sir, here we have to type the program. Just for your understanding purpose, I am telling, sir. But of course, we will have a hacker rank platform. There only we will do the programs. Sir, if you want to print a simple C program, I mean, if you want to print a simple message on C language, the first step which is required is nothing but, sir, #include stdio.h. Then we have to write integer main. So because we have to write our main logic inside this method only. So the program execution always starts from main method. Okay. Now I am going to take printf, sir, welcome. Like this, I printed some message. And main method is expecting one return type. That's why I'm going to return one. Now, if you click on execute button, sir, the output of this program is displayed here. Sir, this is the way how you can able to, okay, this is the way how you can able to write a C program to print a simple welcome message. Sir, I want to do C++ code for this. So we have to go for C++ compiler, same step, but small changes. #include in the place of stdio.h, sir, we have to use IO stream. And then, sir, using some package statement you have to take. Sir, using namespace std I am taking. And the main method is as usual, sir, integer main. Sir, how to display message? I told we have to use cout. So here I am taking welcome to, sir, C++. That's all. Anyway, here also main method is expecting the return type as integer. That's why simply I'm going to return 1. Sir, let me execute the code and see what will happen. Sir, you can able to see welcome to C++. Came or not? Yes. Sir, this is the way how you can able to get this particular approach. Now, sir, I want to go for Java implementation. Sir, how to write Java program? Of course, the people who are coming from Java, you know very well. Sir, public class, any class name you can take. So within this, we have to write the main method. What is the syntax of main method? Public static void main. Sir, string array args we have. And within this, sir, system.out.println of, sir, welcome to Java I'm printing. That's all. Sir, once if you click on execute button, the output message you are going to get in the result panel. Let me check. Sir, we got the message or not? Yes. So this is nothing but how you can able to do in Java. Sir, I want to do the same program in Python. Sir, Python provides a support for different approaches. Like you can write object-oriented programming. Sir, you can write functional programming. Sir, you can take scripting level programming also. Okay, but simply I want to take scripting level. Sir, welcome to Python. Like this I execute. Just simply click on execute button and you can able to see, sir, the answer we got. This is nothing but how you can able to get, sir. Okay, sir, hope the program how to print a message on the screen is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts in all these programs, sir? Please confirm. Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Requesting everyone to respond, friends. Clear, guys? Very good. Sir, now I need to talk about, sir, input statement. Very, very important. Listen carefully, sir. Input statements. Sir, how to read the data from the user will be decided by this input. Sir, anyone remembered which input statement we are using in C language? Hi, guys. Any doubts? Everyone know. Very good, excellent. Sir, we have to use scanf. Sir, in this scanf itself, you can use %d, sir, %c, %f, %s to read respective data. Okay, sir, C++. Anyone remembered C++? Which statement we have to use to read the Rishendra, correct. Yesudas, very good. Sir, I request everyone, please participate actively. Okay. Sir, C in we have to take. Sir, what is this operator? There double less than is insertion operator. This one is a, sir, extraction operator, which will extract the data from the user. Okay. Sir, I will cover Java later. Let me take Python. Sir, in Python, we have input function is there, sir, which is used to read a string value. Sir, I want to read integer. Don't worry. Take int in front of the, inside that you have to take input, which will read integer data. Sir, if you take float of input, sir, which will, it is something like typecasting. Excellent. Sai. So it is used to read floating point values. This is nothing but Python. Sir, what about Java? What about Java? Sir, in Java, we have 3 approaches are there, sir. Remember carefully. What is the first approach is, sir, buffered reader is there. Okay. Second one, console is there. Third one, scanner is there. Three ways are there. Sir, I am going to type one word. Please observe carefully. Here, sir, java.io is the package which contains this buffered reader information. Similarly, java.io is the package which contains console information. Okay, sir, java.util is the package which contains scanner class information. remember these three things, sir. I will explain later, because first two things you can remember because both are same. Sir, by using buffer reader, what type of data we can read? Sir, we can read a character and a string. So we can read only character and then string. That's all. Rest of the information you can't read by using buffer reader. Sir, coming to console, what type of information you can read in the console? Sir, we can read string and then password. Only these two informations you can read. Sir, what about scanner class? Boss, you can read all types of data. This is the reason why majority of the people are going to give importance for scanner class. Okay. And sir, already I have scanner class methods are there. I don't want to type, just I will copy paste, sir. Sorry for this, just I will copy paste. Where is Java core Java 8 AM? 1 minute. So scanner or input statements. Yeah. Have you observed buffered reader? Okay, we have two methods are there. Console, sir, we have two methods are there. But scanner, how many methods are there, sir? You can able to see these methods are there. Sir, by using these methods, you can able to read the information, right? If you want to read next object, you can go for next. Sir, all these things are not required. Has next is not required. If you want to read a byte, you can go for this. If you want to read integer, next int. If you want to read double value, you have to go for this. If you want to read floating point, so we have to go for this. Sir, if you want to read boolean, you can go to this. Sir, if you want to read string, you can go to this. Like this, we have various methods are there. Okay, sir, using these methods you can read appropriate data. Okay, sir, with this I want to go for some example programs, sir. Let us see how it is going to work. Observe carefully. Same programming I am taking. Sir, I need to perform addition of two numbers. Okay, I want to perform addition of two numbers. Sir, character direct method is not there. Indirectly we have to read. So those things are there in our programming. I will explain there. Yes, thus. Okay. Sir, here I want to take a class. I want to take a program to read two numbers from the user, and we have to perform addition. Sir, integer a comma b comma c, like this I have taken. Sir, scanf percentage d, two numbers I accepted. Sir, ampersand a ampersand b, like this I have taken. Sir, c is equal to a plus b I have, and I am printing the information on the screen. Okay, sir, you can able to see here. What is your doubt, Rishendra? Rishendra Sai. Yeah. Sir, printf percentage d comma sir c, because the result is available in c. Sir, where you have to supply the input? Sir, there is one std inputs concept is there. Sir, from here we have to supply the input. Assume the input is nothing but 11 and 22. Sir, just we need to click on execute button, and you can able to see, sir, the output whatever you are going to get is nothing but 33. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Okay, sir, it is a program to read two numbers. Sir, next and after that, same program I want to implement in C++. How to do that? Activity is the same. Integer, sir, a comma b comma c, like this I declared three variables. Sir, c in a and then b I am taking. Next, c is equal to a plus b I am taking. Directly I am printing the value of c. Okay, let me supply the inputs. I am giving 7 and then 8. Sir, if you click execute button, what will happen? It will take those two values and it is returning the result. Sir, correct. This is nothing but how you can able to do in C++. Sir, now I want to solve this problem by using Java. Sir, program is the same, only the instructions are going to change. Sir, how to read the class? Scanner obj is equal to, sir, new scanner of system.in. This is nothing but how to create object for scanner class. And if you want to work with scanner class, we have to import java.util.star, because in the util package, this scanner class will be available. Sir, that's all. Input device is activated. Now I am taking integer a comma b comma c. Sir, a is equal to obj dot next int. Sir, b is equal to obj dot next int. Sir, c is equal to a plus b. Then I am printing system dot out dot println of c. Sir, what will happen if I am giving 1 and then 2? If you click execute button, sir, we are going to get 3. Okay, we are going to get 3. Sir, next I want to implement the same concept by using Python. Okay, let us see how you can able to do. Sir, a is equal to int of input I am taking. Okay, sir, b is equal to int of input I am taking. Sir, c is equal to a plus b I am taking, and I want to print the value of c. That's all. Sir, if I am giving input as a 10 and 20, sir, if you click on execute button, what answer we are going to get? Sir, you can able to see 30 is nothing but the answer. Okay, like this we are going to get. Sir, hope it is very clear for you people, sir, how it is going to work. Now, sir, let me copy paste this in our document. Sir, these are nothing but various ways how you can able to read the dynamic data from the user and how you can able to print. Sir, in which programming language line number 6 you want? Java, right, Sai? Yes. Sir, here, what is the mechanism to read the input from the user? So, you know very well, if you take C language, we have scanf. If you take C++, we have cin. In the same way, if you want to read information from console using Java, we have to create a scanner class object, because scanner class is used to read data from the user. Scanner class is used to read the data from the user. It will read the data and we can perform various operations with that. What is the object we created for this scanner class? Obj. By using this obj only, we have to read the data. So direct reading mechanism is not there. Something like scanf, sir. Okay, it is a kind of input device. By using this only, you can able to read the data. Clear, Sai? Yes. Sir, this is nothing but just basic awareness I provided. What are all the input and output statements what we have? Sir, next and after that, what is our next requirement is nothing but, sir, we will solve the problems from LBP1. First program, tomorrow we will start. Okay, OBJ, you can take any name in the place of OBJ. Sai, in the place of OBJ, you can take any name, no problem at all. Okay, if you want, you can take yes, or if you want, you can take your name, anything you can take. Okay. Yeah. Sir, this is nothing but what we have. Okay, sir, remaining things we will cover in the next video, that is tomorrow. Sir, from tomorrow we are going to continue as usual, sir. Okay, sir, tomorrow the session is going to start at as usual 7 o'clock. Sir, we will discuss various programs in that. Okay.